Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, we are going to make abiel. Yan guys, ang abiel ay specialty sa India, sa mga Malayali. Especially may mga may mga okasyon like what is this? Like Onam. Ayan, ito yung prepared nila guys. Now I'm going to make abiel. This is guys the vegetable I already cut. We have carrots, guys, carrots, and then eggplant. I put also chili guys, 3 chili. We have green peas, potato. This one guys, the Pobika they call it in India. And then we have seeds of jackfruits. And then the cotton ball, drumstick, and then onion. We'll add it together guys. Here. Then I will add salt, and then yellow powder. A teaspoon yellow powder. We add half glass of water. Okay, and then we put on the fire. Okay, 1 whistle only guys. 1 whistle. Only 1 whistle this one. So that the vegetable hindi siya masyado overcook. While waiting what is this guys? The vegetable to cook, we have here. We need to grind this one. I put the onion, garlic, and also green chili, and also I will add yellow powder, and then salt, and then I will add also this one guys is the cumin seeds. Got to slow down. What is that? Then guys, we have to add coconut oil. We'll add like 1 tablespoon coconut oil. While boiling, I will, what is this guys? I will put oil, fry the, what is this guys? The mustard seeds. This one guys. mustard sweets.